Three inspired compositions from the 19th, 20th, and 21st centuries are featured on our May program at the California Symphony. First up, the 19th century and Hector Berlioz, a one-of-a-kind figure in Western music. The Roman Carnival overture comes to us courtesy of Berlioz's failed opera Benvenuto Cellini, which utterly overwhelmed the production capabilities of the Paris Opera. Berlioz extracted material from his massive opera and fashioned the delightful and sparkling Roman Carnival overture, a beloved curtain raiser from his day to ours. Now to the 20th century and the celebrated English composer Sir William Walton. In his first symphony, finished in 1935 after a long and arduous gestation, Walton created one of the supreme masterpieces of the British symphonic tradition. A journey from darkness to light, much like the Beethoven Fifth Symphony, the Walton First begins in turbulent drama, progresses through an almost savage energy to deep melancholy, and finally culminates in a burst of radiant optimism. That brings us to 2023 and the California Symphony's composer-in-residence, Viet Cuong, whose brand new Stargazer for piano and orchestra is receiving its premiere on this program. Written specifically for pianist Sarah Cahill, the new work imagines the pianist as the stargazer and the piano as the telescope. The music you're hearing is Cuong's Next Week's Trees, a previous commission from the California Symphony. So there you have it, 3 compositions, each in its own way a fresh inspiration. Join us for this final concert of the California Symphony season as we time travel through 3 centuries of music, from France to England to America.